sa love team na Elnella kasi they're a musical love team. And I'm so sure na marami pang pwedeng mangyari, marami pang pwedeng gawin. Ang cute-cute nila on screen, they're just so, they're such...
Kinikilig ka.
Oo. Ang cute. Actually, lahat naman ng ginagawa ni Elmo, I'm so proud when I see him on TV. And, you know, kasama ko yun lumaki. And, alam mo, makita ko siya ngayon na he's blooming and he's having fun. Yun lang naman eh. Pag nakikita kami sa ASAP, doon na lang kami nagkikita. And I'm not a regular. I'm like, sometimes when I guest, I did the MMK 25th anniversary and I did the Star Magic anniversary. First time namin ni Elmo. And doon na lang kami nagkikita. Oh, ganda na suot mo. Oh, ganda na sapatos mo. Gano'n na lang kami ngayon. And, but it's a good sign because it means that he's busy and he's, you know, he's actually loves what he does. So,
Magiging famous sa
Nag-meet mo na si Janelle.
correct.
Ano masasabi mo naman about Janelle?
Janelle is so nice and I see so much potential. She's so, ang ganda ng boses, ang ganda ng, she's so pretty, she's so sexy, she's so, everything, she's so cute. Para siyang Ariana Grande, di ba?
Ever naligawan siya ni Elmo? Tanggap mo ba?
Ako, basta happiness ng mga kapatid ko and whatever makes them happy. And I see, and ako, sa family namin, ang cool namin is, if it's good for you, if it's good for our family, if it makes you better, and if it makes you a good person, if it influences you in a nice way, then go.